Ever tried to draw something simple, like a mailbox, only to have the angles look completely off? Perspective can be frustrating, but once you understand a few key tricks, everything clicks into place. Today, I'll show you step by step how to draw a realistic mailbox using perspective so your lines look solid, your angles make sense, and your drawing actually feels three-dimensional. Grab your pencil, let's break this down.
Okay, let's start with the top here. Look, get that angle down like that. Let's come here at the bottom. There's that angle, just like that. This is going back to a vanishing point and the same vanishing point. We'll call this VPA. All right, it's going back to that one over there. Yeah, let's get this side over here. So it's going back like this. And those two are going to converge. So that's the general box. This smaller mailbox. Come right about there. Look at this line right there. You see that? Let's put that line in. That line is going to go right about here. Two verticals. See, all of these, look at this, are all going back to that vanishing point. All right, so we're going to be right here. Okay, this is going to be the lower part there, and you can look at that right there. See, this is going to go to the vanishing point. Okay, and the last, and there's some text up here. And then, of course, you could always drop a tone on one side. And I think that's going to do it.
And there you have it, a mailbox with a solid perspective. See how those vanishing points make all the difference? Now it's your turn. Try this out and share your drawing in our Facebook group. You can find the link right over here. It's a great place to get feedback, connect with other artists, and stay motivated. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. We'll see you in the next one. My name's Kurt, and I'm a dad who draws.